Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of reporting a post on Instagram. If you come across a post that violates Instagram's community guidelines or terms of service, it's important to report it. This full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Look for the familiar icon resembling a camera and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Instagram, navigate to the post that you want to report. Scroll through your feed or explore the profile until you find the post in question. Step 3. Next, look for the 3 stacked dots icon. You can find it either by the follow button or in the top right corner of the border that includes the post. Tap on these dots to access a menu of options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Report. This will prompt Instagram to present you with different reporting options. Step 5. Now select the reason for the report. Instagram provides a list of options to choose from, such as it's spam or it goes against Instagram's guidelines. Pick the most appropriate reason that aligns with the violation you're reporting. By following these steps, you can effectively report a post on Instagram, contributing to a safer and more positive community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.